Hi, I'm Brad, founder of Social Peacock. What is Social Peacock? Well, for $147, we send you a year's worth of social media content right to your inbox. Yeah, only $147. Are the posts any good? No, they're amazing. Each packet has over 400 posts. Every industry is covered with hundreds of images, links, 140 character write-ups, and hashtags. Do you like spending $3,000 per month on your social media manager who keeps promising that it just takes time, followers will come? Meanwhile, your followers haven't topped 100 and your comment section on your posts look like this place. See, the number one place these management companies go wrong is they don't have the right mix of posts. Studies have shown you should have 9 interesting posts to every 1 push of your product. Not like this guy.
Oh yeah!
His followers scroll their newsfeed and go right past him because they know he just wants to sell them something. You need to post engaging posts that make people actually want to stop and take part. Of course, we don't forget the purpose of your efforts, and we've included different ways to highlight your brand and the products you want to sell. So what are you waiting for? Stop paying for something you don't need. All you have to do is click one button, fill out your information, and a year's worth of content in your inbox. Okay, I get that some of you are still too busy to manage it yourself, but we have an option for you too. We can schedule all the posts for the optimal posting times on all of the top 6 social media platforms for only $147 per month. This way, your hard work doesn't have to stop. So stop overpaying for a service you don't need and start deciding how you're going to handle all of your new followers.
We are Social Peacock! Purchase your package today!